Hear ye, hear ye. Court is now in session. Today, we got two French fries on trial. The food stranger's delectable homemade French fries versus McDonald's, the Golden Arches French fries. Let's take a look at McDonald's first and see how they are. She seems to be enjoying those fries. Oh, look at this kid. He loves those fries. Oh, the jury's taking notes. The jury's taking notes. I wonder what they think about McDonald's. I don't know. They do look pretty good if you ask me. But let's see. Let's take a look at the food stranger's fries. Oh, he uses frozen extra crispy signature select fries? No way. And he puts them in his air fryer? I would have never believed it based on that picture. I can't believe. Oh, there's some whiskey. Whiskey? Oh man. Oh, the jury's taking notes. I wonder what they're thinking. Let's bring in the food taster and see what happens next. She looks like she's enjoying tasting those French fries. Hear ye, hear ye. Court is now back in session. It's time for the deliberation. I'm about to read the verdict, and I want everybody in court to remain calm. No outbursts. I'm warning ya. And the verdict is... Wait for it. Oh my gosh. It's the food stranger's French fries. Straight out of the air fryer. Straight out of the frozen packet. I can't believe it. I would have never guessed. I thought McDonald's fries were the best fries ever made, but I guess I was wrong. Those girls can really dance. Wow. Oh my God. Alright. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos so I can keep making them for you. Alright. Have a great day. And I'll see you next time on The Food Stranger.